Hello, welcome back to another session of our entrepreneurial training section. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In this section, we will be talking about how to prepare antibacterial hand wash. Preparing antibacterial hand wash in this particular preparation, we'll be having two types of preparation. In this particular preparation, we'll be taking the idea of transparent liquid soap and we'll be adding antibacterial. It's going to be the same system, but you just need to add antibacterials will make the difference. So all you need to do is to take use of normal preparation for liquid soap. So if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do. And if you're also yet to follow us on Facebook, Prince Yemi Kasali 1 on Facebook, please do. That encourages us to do more videos, more training section, and also try and share, comment if you want to know more about one of our trainees, or if you really want to give us more ideas on what we can do, you can make your request so that we look into it first. Now, coming back to our preparation for today, we will be talking about 5 liters of hand wash, but this time around it's an antibacterial hand wash. So we are making use of Texapone, we are making use of SLS like we did in the other one. Then we will be making use of cooking salt, perfume, and color. Those are the things we use for making transparent liquid soap. So what would make the difference here? We'll be adding glycerin and also we'll be adding antibacterial. You can use any of the essential oils as an antibacterial. You can use a bit of formalin if you want to, and you can use essential oils like tea tree. So in this preparation, we'll be adding tea tree. Before we move further, you need to note some precautions. Please try and avoid your preparation. Don't make your preparation close to naked flame or fire. Avoid these chemicals contacting your skin or your face. Keep chemicals out of the reach of children. Keep chemicals away from fire and naked flame, and also please don't taste these chemicals. So let's move into the preparation proper. In this preparation, we'll be making use of 400 grams of Texapone, 200 grams of SLS, then 150 grams of cooking salt, 15 milliliters of perfume, and a teaspoon of color for 5 liters of antibacterial hand wash. Now let's move into the preparation proper. This is our Texapone. This is our sulfonic. I should be using SLS, but I use sulfonic because I'm not having SLS. SLS is also a foaming agent, while sulfonic is also a foaming and cleaning agent. But to have a transparent liquid soap, it's always better to use SLS. But because I'm not having SLS, I decided to use sulfonic. But normally you should be using SLS. So this is our color, essential oil, that is tea tree. We have our perfume. This is our glycerin. So let's get started. We need to add our Texapone into the water and mix properly. We need to mix it properly. After adding, we need to mix properly. But while we are mixing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook, Prince Yemi Kasali 1 on Facebook. So we stir properly. After stirring, we'll need to add our sulfonic, which is what we are having. But in a normal sense, if you can lay your hands on SLS, just put it in a little water, then pour into this mix and stir properly also. So after adding, we need to stir our solution properly to have a good mix. Like I said, we should be using SLS for transparent liquid soap because we are using transparent liquid soap formula for this production. Then after which we'll be adding our glycerin, but before we add our glycerin, I think we should add our salt. Salt serves as thickener in this particular type of solution. So after adding our salt, we have a very thick solution. Then we'll pour as much water as we want. Then after we've done that, we add glycerin into it. Then after adding glycerin, then we add our essential oil, which is the antibacterial. And in this particular video, we'll be making use of tea tree. So we add that and stir also properly to have a very good production. So as you can see, this is our production and it's a wonderful one, and it's a bacteria-free solution. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention we should also add our color before we get to the final stage. So we will be adding our color. Then I'm raising the bowl in order to get the color of that bowl and also make sure I have a good quantity of color in this preparation. So after the color and our soap is ready for use. This is our soap. As you can see, this is our soap. We only need to add it into the container, and that's all about soap. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Thanks for watching our entrepreneur training section. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you are also yet to do so. Thank you very much.